What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. Today I am making these crispy spicy garlic butter oven baked wings. Happy to see you guys joining me back in another video. If this is your first time here, thank you guys for clicking on this video and do consider subscribing. As you can see here, I am cleaning up the wings and removing the extra skin and the extra meat from it, as well as separating it into flats and tops. Then I am going to wash them. I usually use lime and vinegar to wash my meat. Now on to seasoning them. For seasoning, you can use your usual seasoning that you have in your kitchen. For me, I am using salt, pepper, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and some paprika. Then I'm just going to rub it in for a minute and leave it to marinate. After marinating these for about 30 minutes, I place them on the baking tray and bake them in the toaster oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 minutes later, I turn them over and bake them again for another 30 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, I went ahead and start making the sauce. For the sauce, I am using 3 tablespoons of butter. I crushed 4 cloves of garlic and I added it in there, along with some hot pepper flakes, soy sauce, brown sugar, and some hot pepper sauce. Yes, so this is a sauce that we'll be using to coat the wings in. And this is very aromatic. It smells really delicious in the house. After the 30 minutes, this is how the wings are looking. They are crispy, golden, and tend to have this crunchy look to them, and this is exactly how I want them. So now I am going to add them to a bowl, and to the bowl I am going to add some potatoes as well, which I boiled ahead of time. Then I am just going to pour the sauce over it, and look at it, guys. Now I'm just going to give it a little toss. And there you have it, some crispy, spicy garlic butter oven baked wings. Guys, you can try out this recipe. It was very easy to make, and let me tell you, it was very delicious. Oh my god, I enjoy making new videos like this because my taste buds are opening up to so many different kinds of food and different kinds of cuisine. So stay tuned, guys, for more recipes, and thank you guys for watching this one, and don't forget to subscribe. Right, see you in the next video. Bye.